This is the biggest mistake you're probably making, which is killing your fitness goals and your weight loss goals. If you go back to the time of your grandfather or your great grandfather, they would typically work the field and start eating only around 11 o'clock in the morning or 12 baje ko, 12 o'clock. And that was their first meal. Okay, remember, there was the first meal. And a big meal after they have worked the fields, after they have finished the hard labor of agriculture. They have a nourished and high nutrition diet, 11-12 baje ko. And then they would have the second and last meal of the day around 7 p.m., something like that, and close the day. Naturally, they were ending up doing a fast of around 16 to 18 hours during our grandfather's time and before that. The Indian system, traditional system. Then the British came and we imported the Western template of breakfast, lunch and dinner. What is breakfast? Breakfast is breaking your fast. Why did the British import or bring the system with them? So that the Indian laborers can be well fed and have a lot of energy to do hard labor in their factory, in their colonization agenda. So remember guys that Indians and Hindu Dharam, the Sanatani Dharam system, the Ayurvedic system was never meant to eat as soon as you wake up in the morning, because our bodies are aligned to sun, the sun god, and not to a time. We're not aligned to a clock, we are aligned to sun. So in earlier times when we would typically eat 12 p.m., noon, and then second meal around 7 p.m. in the evening, we were already naturally aligned to the nature, our body and Ayurveda. Today when we do breakfast, lunch and dinner, we are actually just copying the West and their broken systems. Food lobbies propagate heavily a breakfast system because of course that helps them build their revenues. Look at Kellogg's, look at all those cereal companies and brands. They are big time promoting breakfast because breakfast makes sure that their revenues are coming in. You feel that it's the most important part of the day, most important meal of the day, and you continue eating. You have an insulin spike, you have an insulin crash, then you eat again your lunch, and the same cycle repeats on and on. You have to break out of the cycle. Make sure you don't break your fast as the first thing in the morning, going and grabbing breakfast. Prolong it as much as you can and try to aim to break the fast only around 12 noon. That's when our ancestors did, and that's what our Indian way of life is, which has actually now got corrupted.